Hello everyone, it's Hanny. Yesterday I saw a video from Anneliese Ryan. I don't know how you pronounce the name, but I put a link in the description below there, or an iCard there or somewhere else. She made a lovely, wonderful postage, oh what a difficult word, post stamps. And I like that idea so much, so I made a bunch myself. And it's very simple to make and I love it. You can use your scraps and little images. And I thought, well, I want to make some more, and well, you can watch me doing it. And what I use is a book page. You can use something else. You can just use some plain white paper or tea-dyed paper or whatever. I have a scissors. It's not zigzag, but it's something like that. Where are you there? I have a zigzag too. You can do it with that. This is a real one. This is oh, where are you? Difficult. This is a zigzag. My scraps. A bunch of scraps. I have some numbers, letters, no, numbers, little numbers, and from a, well, you can buy stamps, that kind of stamps, where you can put your own stuff in it. They are delivered with those little thingies. See? Those little thingies. You can put them on a little board and you can put them in the stamp and you have your own stamp. And this is the euro sign, and I have a dollar sign and a pound sign, I think. Well, I have those little things. I'll show you where and number stamps and little images. So it's like that, just little flowers, butterflies, whatever. And what do I have more? Oh yeah, 2 stamps. This one, I made that one myself. And this one, just a fake postage stamp. Difficult to pronounce. So what I'm doing is, I'm just cutting with the scissors. The base. Like so. Like so. And then little well, little sizes, and I use different sizes. You can make them all even, but I use different sizes, small ones, and then I put them, I've cut them like so. few little ones. So now you have a bunch of little pieces, and I have a few more. So, and now I'm searching in my scraps. I have all kinds of, well, here I have some painted papers, and I just tear them. This one, I guess, just tear them. You can cut them straight if you like. And I do them a bit smaller than the book page, and I glue that on. But first, yeah, I forgot to mention that, I use some distress ink to color the edges, to distress it a bit. And this one. You can watch Anneliese's video too, of course, so you can see how she does it. Well, then I'm gluing this on, and I'm using a glue stick to do so. And glue it on. Like so. So you have this. And now I'm searching a little image. Well, it can be something like that, or a little flower, or I think I'm going to use this little flower. So I will glue that on. I don't distress the flower, but I just glue it on. Like so. Now I take a number, and where is my ink pad? Sorry. Yeah, there it is. And this is number 8. And I just stamp an 8 on that. Like so. And now I get one of these. Well, you can use other numbers, or you can, well, not use it. No, this is the euro sign. I take it with my tweezers. Upside down, honey. They are very small, these ones, but you can use something else. And I just put a euro sign. It's so small you hardly see it. But you can use other numbers. You can, Annalise, she cuts little numbers and glue them on. I stamp them. And then you can, where are my stamps here? Just stamp a bow stamp. Like so. And that's my stamp. That's all. So I will make a few more. So, I made 18 I can't pronounce that word, postage stamps. I think that's okay, but you know what I mean. And well, they are not real, of course, but well, I put them with the others in my postage stamps album. So and I love making them, so I think I'm going to make some more, but not today. I hope you liked this video. If you do, if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, well, you know the whole story. So, thank you for watching. Bye.